Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to change welcome message channel on Discord. So first of all, go to your Discord server and currently these general channels is selected for welcome messages. And now I'll create a new channel for my welcome message. So here's I'm writing a welcome channel. Once you created a new channel to get all of your welcome messages, now click on your server name, click on server settings, and here select overview, scroll down, and here you will find this system messages channel section. Here click here and all you have to need is to select the new channel where you want to get all of your welcome messages and click on save changes, and this is how we can change welcome message channel on Discord. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.